is Alyssa. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you're all doing well. For today's video, I have someone very special to introduce you to, and very small and tiny and cute and very important. You know I've wanted a baby sister for a very long time, and she's finally here. Look, my baby sister. Isn't she just the cutest? This is Chloe, and she's very, very tiny. Look, she's stretching her little legs. She is so small. Chloe was born early. She was born at 34 weeks, and most babies are supposed to be born at 40 weeks. That's why she's so tiny. When she was born, she weighed 6 pounds 10 ounces, which was super good since she was a month early. It was a healthy weight, but now she's 6 pounds. Babies can lose a little bit of weight when they're first born, but they start gaining it back when they eat more. Speaking of feeding, when we feed her, she always spits up. So whoever's holding her, which is me right now, always has to have a burp cloth. In case you don't know what that is, it's just a piece of cloth or fabric that you keep around the baby to clean their mouth when they're drinking their bottle, or to put it on your shoulder when you burp them. And just to show you guys how tiny she is, I'm gonna compare her to one of my most recent art pieces. Look, this is the art, and look how small she is. So tiny. I'm gonna hold her up so you can see her whole body. Oh, her hat fell off. Look. Oh, you're gonna stretch. All of her clothes are just a little bit too big for her. Look, see how the sleeves are just a little bit too big. And she's wearing newborn clothes right now. She has some preemie size clothes. It's a little bit smaller than newborn size. And that also fits her. Oh, she's just so small. I can't get over it. Oh, I have to show you guys her hair. It's so cute. She actually has a lot of hair. Oh, look. Isn't it so cute? Look at all that hair. She's a little bit more bald on the top of her head, but on the back she has lots of hair. And it's pretty long. Look, it's just so sad and cute how her shirt is so big. When she was first born, she didn't really use pacifiers very much, but she just now learned how to keep it in her mouth because I don't think her mouth muscles were strong enough at first, and her pacifier kept falling out. Sometimes her pacifier still falls out, but she's getting a lot better at keeping it in. I love how she just lays here and she's so comfortable just sleeping on me. It's so cute. We've been playing music for her. Like, I'll just go on my phone, look up classical music, and I'll just play like a couple hour long thing for her. She really likes it. She always falls asleep to it because we want her to grow up listening to music and people singing and playing the piano so she can be a musical little baby. She just spit out her pacifier and she does not want it back. Sometimes she does that. Like if she's super sleepy, she will not want her pacifier back. And usually she eats like every couple hours, and she'll wake up like every couple hours, and then we'll have to feed her. And she usually eats like 2 ounces. 2 ounces is only like this much. It's not very much because her stomach is very tiny. I was like super excited when Chloe was born because she came so soon. She was born in January. We were not expecting it at all. Like, we thought she was going to be born in February or maybe even early March. So she was super early, but I was really excited. My aunt was looking at her phone because her and my grandma were at our house while my parents were at the hospital, and she's like, oh, she's born, and we all got like super excited and we started cheering. So I was thrilled.
2:32. She's born! Yay! Your baby sister is here! Your baby sister is here! Yay!
I wonder who she looks like.
I don't know. Zach, she's born! Yeah, she's here! Isn't that exciting?
She stayed in the NICU for about a week before she was able to come home, and I could meet her. And when I first met her, she was in her little car seat with an adorable little tutu on. She looked so cute, and I was one of the first ones to hold her. She was adorable. I was so excited to meet her for the first time.
First, holding her new sister. I know.
Isn't she cute?
You like her, Owen?
Sometimes she smiles in her sleep, and it's so cute. My mom and I always have our phones like right next to her face to see if she smiles, and we're always ready to take the picture. I think she's having good dreams right now. Even though I'm a little bit older than Chloe, I think that we're still gonna have an awesome relationship, and I finally have a sister. So exciting. I think when we're older, we're definitely gonna be best friends, and maybe even when I can drive, I'll be driving her places. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Something else I love about Chloe is we get to dress her up in the cutest outfits. Like, even before she was born, we were so obsessed with buying clothes, super cute clothes, especially like the day we found out she was gonna be a girl. We rushed to the store as fast as we could and got so many cute like bows and tutus and fluffy things that are all pink. So that was fun. Seeing her in her first headband was very cute. We're definitely gonna have that in common, wearing headbands and sparkly cute things. Usually babies cry a lot, especially when they're newborns, but Chloe hasn't really cried very much, only sometimes when she's hungry, but not often. She's a pretty quiet baby. I think I've actually only woken up once from her crying down the hall, but that's it. She's pretty quiet. Recently, we took Chloe to get her newborn photos taken. They were so cute, they turned out great. And by the way, it was our first girls' day out with me, my mom, and Chloe. All the three of us girls in the family. It was a lot of fun, but it took all day, like at least practically 8 hours of her just taking pictures, and she actually stayed asleep for most of it. She did a super good job. During the photo shoot, which is probably closer to 6 hours now that I think about it, we changed her clothes into a bunch of different cute outfits, and we fed her bottles every once in a while, and we changed her diaper, we swaddled her in different blankets, and we had a bunch of different adorable backgrounds that we put like a little basket or a bed on that she would lay there, and it was so cute. Some of the baskets and cradles that we used were actually the same ones that we used for Owen when he was a newborn. She had a bunch of different swaddles and different colors and textures, mostly pinks and purples and colors, of course, girly colors. She looked super cute in the purple swaddle. And we also had a bunch of different headbands, like some white ones with sparkles, flowers, and bows, and it was all super cute. We even had a white background for one of them, and we dressed her up in a snow white dress with a little red bow on top. It was so cute. And we put her next to an apple when we took the picture. I'm gonna dedicate this next portion of the video just to Chloe here, so she can watch it in the future. That's so hard to think about, like in the future when she's gonna be all grown up and she's so tiny right now. Oh, Chloe, I love you so much. You're so beautiful. You're so cute and small. I can't wait to make lots of memories with you. We'll grow up together and be best friends. Well, I hope you guys liked meeting my new baby sister, Chloe. I love her name so much, by the way. And I know she wasn't awake in this video. She was sleeping a lot. But maybe she will be awake in the next one. You guys will have to make sure to tell me in the comments if you guys have sisters and how far apart in age are you. Like if you have a sister who's a lot younger than you, comment and tell me what it's like. Because this is my first sister and we are 15 years apart. That's crazy. So yeah, just tell me what it's like with the age gap for you guys. I'd like to know. Make sure you guys leave a big thumbs up for Chloe because she's so cute. Well, I'm so glad that you guys finally got to meet Chloe, and I can't even believe that I have a sister. It's just so crazy, so hard to believe. I've wanted to have a sister for my entire life, and I've been looking forward to it. I'm so excited she's finally here. Thanks again for watching my video and meeting my new baby sister, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!